So let's go in depth on this controversial issue, and I want to bring in a partner with the law firm Crain Brogdon and Rogers, attorney Quentin Brogdon, joining me now from Dallas. I first want to start, Quentin, with your reaction. Republican governors in Florida and, of course, Abbott in Texas fighting back on these vaccine mandates.
Yes, Governor Abbott's order is the latest skirmish in an ongoing battle that Republican governors primarily are fighting with President Biden since he assumed office, and some of those same governors are fighting battles with local governmental entities such as school districts. It's clear that the states, under the exercise of their police power, according to the Supreme Court in a very old 1905 case, the states can require vaccines, and probably under that holding, the states can mandate that there be no vaccine requirement. What's not clear legally in the eyes of many legal commentators is whether the federal government can come in and trump what the states are asking or legislating or ordering with respect to vaccines or masks or anything else. That's going to need to be decided by probably the United States Supreme Court. Thus far, however, the United States Supreme Court has been very reluctant to jump into the legal battle about COVID vaccinations.
Yeah, so meantime, where would that leave it? It certainly seems like a clash between the state and the Biden administration.
That's right. It's being played out in courtrooms under the overview of judges all across the United States. And we're getting some inconsistent and conflicting rulings depending upon the judge who's weighing in on the issue. And so it's a little bit of a legal mess right now. This COVID pandemic is testing our healthcare system, is testing employers and our economy, but it's also testing our legal system. So far, our legal system is rising to the occasion, but ultimately, we're going to need some guidance from the United States Supreme Court on this.
We'll see if that indeed happens, because, you know, there are some companies caught in the middle here, larger companies saying they will not abide by what Governor Abbott is saying, others enjoying the stance that he's taking. So they're kind of caught in the middle. That causes a lot of uncertainty, not just for the management of these companies, but for the employees as well.
Being an employer right now is being in an unenviable position. Two of the largest airlines in the United States, American Airlines and Southwest Airlines, are headquartered in Texas, and both of those airlines have said that they're going to continue the path they set before Governor Abbott's most recent order, namely a path of mandating vaccinations. They've said, at least one of those airlines has said, that they believe that the federal order supersedes or trumps or is in higher priority, if you will, than Governor Abbott's order. But again, that's something that's not going to need to be played out in courtrooms under the overview of judges.
Yes, we'll wait and see what happens next. We really appreciate your insights, Quentin Brogdon. Thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you. This isn't going away anytime soon.
It doesn't sound like it. Perhaps we'll talk again. Thank you.
Absolutely.